Hey guys, it's Mike from Lever Gear with a quick unboxing of our ultimate EDC bundle. If you look inside, we've got 3 of our top selling products. We've got the Toolcard Pro with the money clip. Comes with its instructions. Clip is removable if you just want to keep that in your wallet. We've also got the Edge XT, which is our little x-acto blade keychain size multi-tool. It's got a little retractable x-acto blade here, and has 9 useful tools on there as well. There's bottle opener, rulers, flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, hex bit holder, you name it. And then we've also got our Cablekit, which is just a short little USB charging cable. Comes with a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. They all come with an adapter, and it all fits in this nice little protective carry case. I can clip right on your keys or just clip it in your bag, and you've always got a little cable. And finally, as part of the bundle is this little accessory pack here, and we've got a little 6-piece hex bit kit. We've got some adapters that go with your cable kit, or they can go with plug into any USB cable. And then finally we've got a little x-acto blade 10 pack, and those are just replacement blades for the Edge XT. So there you have it, ultimate EDC bundle.